our first for real family nature outing at a place that was an hour outside of Phoenix. And this is Finley's first time by a real body of water. He also he did it really well the whole car ride, and then he had a huge blowout poop right when we got here. The first poop that has escaped out of his diaper. So that was fun to clean up. But now we are in this peaceful area, hanging out with an outside fam for the first time.
He's stretching around.
Whoa, whoa. This is our view. It's the perfect day for this.
With that burp uncomfortable. With it hurting you.
Super happy now. How's it feel out here, Finn? What do you think? Feels so good you just immediately nap? Immediately back out?